Sheffington, I call me Sheffington. What you do? Sheffington, I call me Sheffington. What you do? Cook food for black man and white man. Cook food for Syrian and Indian. Anyway, me gonna call me number one because number one of me, number one, yes. Champion of me, champion. Boom! Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Bless everyone, greetings. Welcome to Lion Foot TV. Right now, I just catch up with Jerky, the number one jerky in the land, and we provide the best jerk chicken, fried, steamed fish, soup, everything. You see what I say? Yes, man, the people, them chef. You see what I say? So we're gonna do have a look of reasoning with him right now, so we can get to know a little bit more about jerky. So don't go nowhere. We are forward. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love, this is Lion Foot representing for Prince and Genius Family Butchers. It's a black-owned butchers providing you the best quality meat, is it? Yeah man, the shop address is 151A Peckham Rye Lane, Peckham, SE 1540L. The business are dwell and it's doing well. Alright, when me say them sell, oxtail, beef, lamb, cow foot, pork, mutton, liver, kidney, chicken foot, the meat fresh and full of flesh and it not take long for cook. Prince and Genius Butchers in the good book. Yeah man, them also sell other varieties of meat such as broiler chicken, chicken wings, lamb foot, lamb neck, goat foot, goat belly, tripe, cow skin, smoked turkey. Roll out, the shop clean and friendly, hit no dirty. You can call this number to put in your order on the day and just come pick up your meat later on and pay 07743458017. Prince and Genius Butchers, it's like a blessing up a heaven. Lion Foot's a Prince and Genius Butchers. This ad is sponsored by Genius Drinks Services, catering for your events and consignment. Check them out now.
Ahora.
Yeah, man, a vlog on the go, I mash up an interview, you know.
Go on, Jerky in the interview.
Yeah, if you want involved, you know, yes, we do sometimes, so right over there with Jerky. The original Jerky, I see me, the man that locked down London, all over England, you see me?
Original,
the nicest chicken, them and the sip and the rice and peas and the fish and everything. You see me, I say so. Right now we have Jerky on the platform. So Jerky, what go? Good morning.
Good morning, British. This is Jerky live from Jamaica, you know? Spanish Town youth. This is what I say to you.
Yes, man. So
yeah, man.
This has been brewing for a long time, so but people in those part of Jamaica you're forward from.
Yeah, man. Spanish Town, St. Catherine, you know? Place name Fairfield Road, they call it Bungo Lane. You see what I say? Yeah, man.
Fairfield Road.
Bungo Lane, yeah, Winter Pen. St. John's Road, them place there, you know?
Okay, so this is born and grow?
Yeah, man, born in my yard, you know?
Yeah, oh, in the house, yeah?
Yeah, born in my house, right in my yard, you know?
Oh, see?
See?
So how was your upbringing, your schooling and everything?
Yeah, we got friendship all age, you know?
We start from all age?
Yeah, I go reach high school, you know?
Which high school?
St. Diego, you know?
St. Diego?
I left and go Ministry of Agriculture, I study about fish and all them things there, you know?
Yeah.
So till I start running fish business, yeah, then.
Oh, so you actually, like what, selfish or?
Yeah, man, I work with Ministry of Agriculture, know the male fish from the female fish, grow them, look after them, raise them, cook them and sell them, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, so that's it.
See?
Now I come over here now, and somebody will come buy fish from me, invite me here and do something for your wife, and from a code, and everybody tastes the food, everybody said, this is like no other. And I just say things start, you know. Everybody want me everywhere, all over, Lord Gellies, Chris Goldfinger, all I celebrity them, everybody came up on tour, you know.
Okay, so you came to England with that profession, or you acquired your
No, well you see, a gift has come to me, you know. Yeah, because somebody come to me and say they know me as a fisherman from Jamaica, do the best fish. And they want me to do something for them, and for me to do it for them. Everybody want me, you know, to do something for them, you know.
So what year did you come to England? Which year that you came to England?
96.
96? You know, because somebody knows so we used to associate around really fish and everything there. And
yeah, and all them things there, Jamaica.
So did you actually do a chefing course to get your certificate and everything there?
Yeah, I go through Ministry of Agriculture and study and all them things there, you know.
Oh, so you're a certified chef?
Yeah, certified.
See? Yes, man. So what are your experience like living in London from then till now?
Well, my experience in London is the kids, them, you know. If I never them, we women are going back home already still, you know?
So how many kids you have?
Five of them.
5, yeah?
2 girls and 3 boys, you know?
So what about your parents?
No, I sent for my father 2 times come over here. You know?
Them still alive, them still about?
No, my father drop out, but my mother there yard, you know? Look after her, you know?
Yeah, man, big up mommy, condolence papa, you know?
Mother's Day, I call her every day, present every day, everything. Nice, mama nice.
Yeah. So how many years have you been in the chefing? Boy, you get
the chef around 35 years, I do chefing.
Chefing, yeah?
Around 35 years of chefing.
So how did they get the name Jerky now? How did they come by that name, Jerky?
Yeah, because they said I do the best jerk chicken, then give me trophy award. And them thing they say my chicken I best. Get trophy award.
I know you get a lot of awards from Crystal Blue and IRP and other more promoters, you know?
Brixton Domino Club.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, we win a trophy award, we are best out of 10. Best out of 10, you know?
Yes, man. And how many years now you've been in that field?
Well, we've been in that field from the kids and my baby around 22 years, 25 years now.
Oh, you've been
Jerk chicken,
chicken and
Around 22 years.
And in the winter time, how do you sustain the cold weather in the winter?
Yeah, because I'm always driving, so anywhere I go, my car park up and my car engine, and more time I sit down in my car and more time I come out, you know. But it ain't easy.
It's not easy, but you're committed and that's your profession, so and that put the food on the table.
Yeah, it ain't easy. You know?
Yes, man, you see, so people jerk you out there in the cold and doing thing. Winter, the summer, autumn, spring, you know. And sometimes it's cool and I see Jerky out there doing things, so you have to respect him. You see me, the man, are honest. You earn him honest, but if you provide for him kids, them, so it's a good look. You see it? So some of the people that you have cooked, hire the service like celebrities.
Oh yeah, I cook for Steff London, Burner Boy, Castor Brown, Rifle, them, all like celebrity them. Every celebrity them, all of them will come up here. Most of the entertainer them, Beanie Man, Merciless, Bounty Killer, all of them, Matty Egg not good, enough entertainer, I cook for them, Ghosts every time. When most of the entertainer them come, I cook for them. Stone Love, more time I on tour with Stone Love, cook pay steam fish for them because they love the steam fish and thing, you know. More jerk chicken, you know.
Yeah, man. So, back home in Jamaica now, there's a high crime and violence stemming in Jamaica. Any message for the youths them out there in Jamaica?
Well, in my district, them say, nobody now do me nothing, me can come home anytime because me never thrown a stone behind me, you know. Me never burn the bad grass, so we welcome to go home anytime, you know. Badness not go for me, you know.
So you have any message for the youths them out there in Jamaica?
I'm here for just tell us if you just live up, man, because right now life value more than gold. You see me I say? Life value more than gold. And if you lose that one life, you can't get it back again, you know? And when you're there in a prison, the life you did, and when you're there in the cemetery, the life you did this. So live your life with Jerky, you know?
Yeah, man.
Just,
Back,
yeah, man. Live
back
up,
here in
you
the
know?
UK now, also, you have any message for the youths them in the UK, yeah? Especially South London, Peckham, Brixton, all about, you know?
Yeah, man. Well, you them they get to still, when I tell them, say, Babylon like you them, so we have to wise up, you know? And make some money and better on yourself, and I'm gonna put yourself in a world for trouble and jailhouse and world for stabbing, you know, school off, you know? Babylon like me, you know? So, you have to know what I do. Because I'm not going to trouble and them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Real. So, dancehall.
Dancehall.
The music
Watch
industry right now, dancehall step up right now. I say,
Yeah.
Bounty Killer is Vegas. I don't know if you're in tune with that clash.
Yeah, because I do a big show there with my youth, when him, we mash up a place now, man. They come over here with Friday Eve. My youth from Jamaica, man.
Oh, Valiant?
No, man. It's going to talk about the whole of a girl, then, man.
Dexter Daps.
Dexter. Yeah, we're going to mash up 2 Dexter Daps show there. Yeah, Chucksy, you know, East London. Show sell off for a girl, man. Girl from America, girl from all over.
Yeah, no Dexter Daps for the ladies and artists, man.
Yeah, Dexter Daps shell of the place, you know. Yeah. And we're a big show with Uri, a Brixton Electric this week, you know.
Okay, yeah.
Come down fresh from yard, you
So
know.
you go there.
We go there.
But the people know say you go there, man.
Yeah, yeah,
With the
you
chicken, you know?
Jerk chicken, steamed fish,
Brand
and
new
some
pan.
sea bottom soup, everything, you know.
Yeah.
You
So-
right Sunday. Electric Brixton, I'm a place.
So you don't enjoy the little clash with Bounty and Mr. Vegas?
Yeah, man, the clash bad, man.
Clash, nice,
Yeah,
though.
man. Bounty, you know, Bounty we artists, you know.
Yeah.
And Mr. Vegas, you know, a star boy, you know.
Yes. So who you think came out victorious? You know?
Why? But now I take that side, but the two of them
Yeah.
are going good.
Two of them are going
Or
good, huh?
the two of them are still star. You know, if
Yeah,
I say
man.
one, I don't want Bounty vex with me, I don't want Vegas vex with me. You
And
know,
the
the two of
right
them are
answer,
going
man.
good, man. I
And the
say
right
two of them
answer.
are going good.
Yeah.
And they know them are going good. They don't have to prove nothing to them, say one another.
Right.
Just do it as an enjoyment.
Yeah, man, right
Not
answer,
a clash.
man. Big up the two artists now. What a clash, though?
Yeah, do it as an enjoyment, do it as fun.
Yeah, man. So one kick off you know with Khago and Octane. I don't know if you're in tune with that one.
The one, the man, I got no normal.
It has gone, no? Alright, so what's next for Jerky now? What's next for Jerky?
Well, Jerky, I fly out soon, you know. One guy yard, you know. Yeah, it's alright, you know. England kind of cold, you know, and we don't know cold too long, you know. I can't manage cold again, you know.
Yeah.
I get older now, you know. I come out of cold, you know. Spend more time at Jamaica, less time over here, you know.
Yeah. Alright, but the people know them can book you if they want to require the service.
Yeah, man, just give them a number, put it on the thing there. That's them having booking, catering, anything, any barbecue, wedding, reception, funeral, anything at all. Lobster, fish, prawn, anything at all they want. Cow food, chicken back, chicken neck, turkey, anything. You just tell me, you name it, and me place it.
Alright. Yeah, man. I'm going to put the information.
Yeah, man, big up.
On the video.
And big up Lion Foot, you know, because the biggest thing about it right now, you know, Lion Palm, you know. Biggest thing in Peckham, Brixton, Aston, Stonebridge, the whole of London. You see what I said to you?
Yeah, man.
Biggest thing about it, I tell you, Lion Palm, man. The
Alright.
world greatest.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Jerky, and you don't know it's a pleasure. See?
Big up.
Yeah, man. Any last words
London,
with the people?
Dan. Big up the London, Dan, bad man, them.
Friend Jerky. Jerky will survive. Jerky is a survivor.
Make them give them a little.
Yes, Jerky now make us suffer. Jerky now make us stop.
Yeah, yeah, man, say,
Yeah.
Sheffington, I'm coming
Yes, sir,
Sheffington.
Jerky.
What you do? Sheffington, I'm coming
Yeah.
Sheffington. What you do?
Yes,
Cook
Jerky
food
go
for black
all over
man
the world.
and white man. Cook
Yeah.
food for Syrian and Indian. Anyway, me gonna call me number one because number one of me, number one,
Jerky.
yes. Champion of me, champion. Boom! Lion foot.
Lion foot. Black Jerky.
Everything on Lion Food TV, fully balanced. Mikey Bash for the balance master, that Lion Food TV to the universe.